What it does. Docker networking allows containers to communicate with each other in the host machine.
It provides a way to configure network settings for containers, enabling them to interact with other containers and external services. Docker provides three main network types: bridge, host, and overlay. Bridge network. Command/example. Breaking it down. The Docker network create command creates a new bridge network. The D flag specifies the driver, in this case, bridge. The net flag specifies the network to use when running a container. Containers in the same bridge network can communicate with each other using their container names. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify the network when running a container, resulting in the container being connected to the default bridge network. Not understanding that containers in different bridge networks cannot communicate with each other by default. Try this next. Try running containers in different bridge networks and observe how they cannot communicate with each other. Pro tip. Use bridge networks for development and testing environments where containers need to communicate with each other. Host network. Command/example. Breaking it down. The net host flag tells Docker to use the host's network stack. Containers in the host network share the same IP address and port space as the host machine. Containers can communicate with the host machine and external services using the host's IP address and ports. Common mistakes. Not understanding that containers in the host network can conflict with the host machine's ports and services. Not using the host network when containers need to communicate with external services using the host's IP address. Try this next. Try running a container in the host network and observe how it can communicate with the host machine and external services. Pro tip. Use the host network for containers that need to communicate with external services using the host's IP address, such as a reverse proxy or a load balancer. Overlay network. Command/example. Breaking it down. The Docker swarm init command initializes a swarm cluster. The Docker network create command creates a new overlay network. The net flag specifies the network to use when creating a service. Containers in the same overlay network can communicate with each other using their service names. Common mistakes. Not understanding that overlay networks require a swarm cluster. Not using the correct service name when communicating between containers. Try this next. Try running containers in different overlay networks and observe how they cannot communicate with each other. Pro tip. Use overlay networks for production environments where containers need to communicate with each other across multiple hosts. In summary, Docker networking provides a way to configure network settings for containers, enabling them to interact with other containers and external services. Bridge, host, and overlay networks are the three main network types, each with its own use cases and best practices. By understanding how to use these network types, you can design and deploy scalable and secure containerized applications.